Please don't evaluate this like a clutch. This isn't this. We're not like, you don't want to just set it down. But then again, we don't need to travel each other.
Clutch first. On the Dr. Phil show, you give a story about you sniffing cocaine off of a dog. How do you
my dog Chili
between
dog.
good cocaine? The dog's name is Chili and bad sniffing cocaine.
What do you mean?
That was
like depends what kind of cocaine. My dog Chili dog.
Well,
you get good cocaine, it's great.
So,
you get shitty cocaine.
On the Dr. Phil show, how do you give a story about you sniffing cocaine? Differentiate between good cocaine and bad
my dog
cocaine.
Chili dog. Well, I don't do it anymore.
Name is
So
Chili.
it's not even an Chili, but I call him Chris Gustavo. I call him Chili dog. I dropped some cocaine on his back. We were in there. We were stealing like those little fuzzy little animals and things they got for animals, for dogs or cats. Those little toys. We're putting them in our shorts, and that would just I don't.